Hello, children. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe indoors. I am Khushi teacher and I am back for a fun learning session. Children, today we are going to revise our shapes. Yes, children. Recently, in this session, we have learned about two shapes. Yes, the circle shape and the square shape. Yes, children, this handkerchief is of square shape because it has four equal sides and it has four corners. And this bangle is of circle shape because it is round and has no end. Okay, children. And now let's see some objects which are of circle shape and square shape. Now, children, can you tell me which shape this is? Yes, children, you're correct. This is circle shape. Now, let's see some objects which are of circle shape. This biscuit is round. It is of circle shape. And this wall clock, children? Yes, you're correct. This is also of circle shape. Children, which shape is this? Can you tell me? Absolutely correct, children. This is a square because it has four equal sides and four corners. This wall clock is of a square shape. And this frame, children? Yes, this is also square shape. And the biscuit is also of square shape. Okay, children. You all remember the circle and the square shape so well. Good job, children. You all deserve a silent hug. Okay, children. Now it's time for some fun. Let's watch a nice video on shapes. Okay, children. There you go.
Circle and Square were friends. When they were young, they spent every day together. They would play and laugh and splash in the stream. They would even have sleepovers when their parents would let them. But one day they were playing on a hill and Circle started to roll down. He laughed and urged Square to roll down with him. But Square couldn't. Slowly, Circle and Square realized they were different. They didn't know how to treat each other after this. They stopped playing as much. They grew apart. Then they stopped talking, thinking they were too different to be friends. It was a sad day indeed. One day, Circle got sick and had to go to the doctor. He didn't know Square was sick too and was very surprised to see him at the doctor's office. They hadn't seen each other in a very long time. The doctor knew the story of how their friendship had ended and he wanted to help. He called Circle and Square over to a machine made for looking at things up close. Very close. He told them it was called a microscope. He told them to each place a hand on the table, then slide them under the microscope. When they did, they were amazed by what they saw. You are not made of just one piece, the doctor told them. You are each made of many, many smaller pieces. Circle, you are not made of just circles, and Square, you are not made of just squares. Then what are we made of? Asked Circle. Atoms, the doctor yelled happily. Everything in our world is made of atoms, including both of you. Circle and Square looked again at the screen, at all the little atoms in their hands, and they knew. Deep down, they were the same shape, no matter how different they looked on the outside. It had been a long time since they smiled at each other. The beginning.
Children, did you like the story on the circle and the square? Yes? Okay, children, even teacher loved the story. And children, now teacher has a surprise for you. It's time to tell you the home play activity. Okay, children, let's see what the activity is. For this activity, children, you will need paper cutouts of circle and square. And then you have to find shapes in your house that match the cutout given to you. Isn't that going to be so much fun, children? Yes, I'm sure you all are going to enjoy doing this activity, children, with the paper cutout of circle and square. It's time for me to leave now, children. I will be back very soon with many more videos for you. But meanwhile, please take care and stay safe indoors. Bye, children.